Hello, everyone. So I want to go over graphing quadratics in Vertex form today. We've done a lot of this. This is going to be the last. Sorry, yawning. It's been a long day. This is going to be the last stop of Vertex form that we made. So next class, we're going to do a quiz on Vertex form, moving it around, graphing it, being able to match a graph to an equation. So today I want to focus on the hardest part, which is being given an equation and graphing it, okay? So if you look at my screen right now, I have a con problem up. That's what the assignment that you're going to be doing tomorrow is. So this is your con assignment. This is an example of a question you may see. I'm going to go over on paper, on my Elmo over here, how I would do this problem, how I would do all the workout. Then I'm going to switch back to con and go over how I would graph it on con, because sometimes it can be a little tricky. So if I'm looking at this problem, I know the vertex. That's the first thing I can label. One. Okay, so I know that my vertex is at 1, 1. I can plot that right here. I also know that my vertex is my axis of symmetry. Okay, so here's my AOS. Okay, that means if I want to find the next point on this, I should probably look to my left or my right. Okay, so I'm going to look to the right. I'm going to use number 2. So I'm going to plug in a 2 to this equation for x. Okay, so I just plugged in a 2. Now I'm going to do out the problem. 2 minus 1, parentheses first. Remember your PEMDAS. So I'm going to do the 1. Then I want to do my exponents. 1 squared is 1. And then I'm going to multiply. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. And then I'm going to add negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. So when I plugged in an x of 2, I got that y is 2. So that's a point. Okay, that's now a point on my graph, 2 comma negative 2. So I'm going to go to 2, put a point on negative 2. Now remember that the axis of symmetry is a mirror image. So if there's a point here, there'll also be a point 1 space away on the other side of this. So here. Okay. So whether you plugged in a 2 or a 0, when you did this problem out, you should have gotten negative 2. Okay. Now this should be facing down because the A. So now I'm just going to make my graph face down. Okay, so I'm all set. Now I want to flip to the con screen so that I can show you. I'm freezing a little bit here. 1 second. Okay, I'm going to flip to the con screen now so that I can show you how this would look done out. So a few of the points that I solved for is I knew that the vertex was 1, 1. Then I also found the point 2, negative 2. Okay, see how I only had to plot 2 points, so the rest they mirrored off for me? Now, the only thing I want you to be careful of is you can't move this point first. So if you moved this to the point to the right and you put it on 1, 1, you have to keep this point that's in red has to stay on the left of that. So you can't, like, if you move this over, look, it's now facing up. Okay, so just got to be careful. If that happens to you, just switch around the points. So once again, put this one at 2, negative 2, this one at 1, 1. Now it looks the way I want it to look, okay? And if I move this out of my way, I can hit done. Answer's correct. Perfect. Okay, please let me know. Please don't hesitate to reach out. Please reach out tomorrow if you need any help with this. We are going to do a quiz next class, okay? Today is Tuesday, so tomorrow's Wednesday. Quiz is Friday, but I think that will actually be next week because I think we have this Friday off from school. The governor just announced, okay? All right, have a great day, guys.